Very nice. All right, now to managing your money. It's often a lesson young people learn too late after they open up a bank account or misuse a credit card, and those financial mistakes follow them for years.
But thanks to Vi and his foundation, some college-bound students in Camden are learning the right way to manage money. NBC 10's Katie Zachary shows us the important lesson they learned outside the classroom.
It's not every day you show up at school only to get back on a bus.
How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you.
And be driven with dozens of your classmates on a field trip. That's not only fun, but will make you financially stronger.
You guys excited to go to TD Bank University? We're going to learn about finance today. We're going to feed you lunch first, though, right? You guys hungry?
NBC 10's own Vai Sikahema spearheaded this trip. It's through his foundation that he and his wife began in 2018. TD Bank was an early partner and are giving about 60 students from Camden's Leap Academy a crash course in financial literacy.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for being here. Real excited to have Leap Academy here this morning.
Vi and his foundation took a tour of TD Bank University in Mount Laurel last year, and he instantly knew it was the perfect space for these students to learn. The idea is to teach them how to manage bank accounts and credit cards before they go to college, so they don't find themselves in a pile of debt and bad credit.
You ever go into a store today, everybody in front of you is swiping. Yeah. I'm still the guy paying with cash.
Regional President Michael Carbone is a Camden native. He knows how important these tools are for these students.
Anything we can do to prepare a child as they move and progress through their childhood into adulthood to make them better prepared so they can buy a home and live the American dream, it's our responsibility to do it.
Be observant, be aware, listen carefully, take good notes.
Next but not least is the savings account.
There were a lot of topics covered in a couple of hours, but everyone walked away with some new knowledge.
Everybody smile.
These kids typically don't get an opportunity to go outside and do some sort of experiential learning at a different site, so this was a great opportunity for us.
We learned about debit and credit cards and how to save.
I learned about overdraft.
A lot of college students now struggling with credit scores and student loans, so it's better if I start now so that in the future I don't have so much trouble with it.
Give me a hug. I'm so proud of you.
Katie Zachary, NBC 10 News.
So smart,
I'm
all
telling
of them.
you, they're so bright. They were so engaged, and they listened, and they asked great questions.
Soaked it all up.
Yeah, we're going to do this every year, so we want to attract them, not for any report or anything, for any study. We're just doing it to make sure that these kids, when they get to college, they know what to do.
That's great. So
Now here's
good.